Audio Jungle.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? Video I will be sharing with you recipe that will help you beat your libido, recipe that will help your husband to last long in bed, and recipe that will improve your love. Guys, give just one cup of tea to your husband or to your man, and you will testify in bed, like the testimony will be. We all know that carrot is the natural carrot contain vitamin A and vitamin B and help to boost our libido. So just do a wash and see how I'm going to prepare this drink. This drink is so amazing. It's a miracle drink that helps to boost all your love. Okay, just one cup a day, no more than 1 cup a day. Just drink it in the evening, before bed, 2 hours before bed, or 3 hours before bed, and you are going to see the massive results. This will help men that is over 50, 60, or young men too that don't laugh and die. Like their love life is a little bit sad. Just drink this and be a woman. Ride like a horse. And our second ingredient is ginger. We all know that ginger is very good. Ginger is a medicinal and help have a lot of health properties that can help us to boost our body system. This will help you. While I'm adding ginger to it, it will help you to activate your body. You need to activate your body for you to be very good and prepared. You need to activate your system. So this is going to help you to activate and help you to last longer in the bed. Okay, if you are new here, you are highly welcome. Thank you for coming. Please support this channel by subscribing. Turn on the bell icon so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be notified. And if you are my returning subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always coming to support me. Please help me to share this video and if you have any comments related to this video, drop it in the comment section and I will really appreciate and I will be glad to answer your question. Okay, so guys, our next ingredient is banana. I will be using half banana for this drink. Banana is very good for our body. Banana has the whole health property that maintains our body. I'm adding banana to it. Banana contains all vitamin and that will help you to boost your system. Okay, so I'm adding just half banana to this recipe. So after that, guys, our next thing is orange. Orange is very good. Orange contains a lot of vitamin. Orange peel, orange, everything is so benefitable in body and is so helpful in our body. So I will be adding just one orange to this recipe. Okay guys, after peeling my orange, I see that it's messed up. After peeling the orange, I just share it. Make sure you wash all your ingredients before starting, okay? Before preparing them, make sure you always wash them thoroughly. So I'm done cutting everything. Guys, let's move to the next step. Okay guys, so I'm ready to blend everything together. What I'm going to do is to add all my ingredients to the blender. Then just add just 1 glass of water. And I will be adding honey. This is original honey. And I will be adding just 1 tablespoon of honey. Okay.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hell.
Then I will go ahead and blend everything. So then guys, our last and not the least ingredients is turmeric powder. I will be adding just 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to this recipe. We all know that turmeric is medicinal. Turmeric is very good for body, and turmeric is so helpful for body. So I'm just adding just 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Turmeric has a lot of benefits and help to boost our immune system. So for activating the libido, you need to add some turmeric to it to boost your immune system. Okay, so I will start blending again to mix everything together. Okay guys, I'm done blending. So you can see, just give 1 glass like this to your man. Or if you are a man washing, just make 1 glass like this 2 hours before going to bed with your woman, and you will see your results. Wow, everything will turn out very good. If you are 30 seconds man, 20 seconds man, drink this and your love life will increase massive, and you will see your odogu will be vibrating. You know what I'm talking about. Thank you all for watching. If you watch this video tonight, you are so amazing. Thank you all for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.